What's up, flawless gang? I'm back with a brand new video. So today I'm in the car. Of course, I'm not doing a sit down, but I just wanted some fresh air. I was sick of being in the house and I just needed some fresh air, child. So I came out here to do a video, just to, get some different scenery. So today we are reviewing some shoes. I'm so excited. A company sent me some shoes to review. And I'm so excited. I'm going to go in the house and try them on, but I wanted to come out here and review them for you guys just to get some fresh air. I just didn't want to be in the house. I will be doing a new sit down very soon. Probably after this, I'll probably do another sit down or something soon this week. All right, guys, so I wanted to come on here and clear this up. I noticed when I was watching this back, I'm editing now, so I kept saying Art Miss Street in the video, but this brand that I'm talking about in this exact video is Art Miss World. Now, I mentioned, if you guys keep watching, I mentioned that I did a review for these fours, which was from a brand called Art Miss Street. They're both very similar. I mean, like Art Miss World, Art Miss Street, it's like super similar. So when I'm saying Art Miss Street, I'm trying to say Art Miss World. I got confused, and just, with the brands being so alike, I just got confused. But just know the brand of the focus of this video is Art Miss World. So they will be in the description box. But keep watching. I love you guys. I just wanted to clear that up. She said she's a different company than the first one I reviewed for the one dunks I did, or what were they? No, they were the where the wild ones are, I think. Those were the fours. That was from another company, but she said they're different. So she sent me over some shoes and I chose some more dunks. I think they're so cute, and I don't have many dunks in my collection, so I was like, why not? Dunks are too overpriced to be paying like $200 and all that for some stuff that came out already now. I'm sorry. I already told y'all how I feel about the whole reselling thing. Y'all already know. I'm an OG with this sneaker stuff, bro. Like, the reselling price for these shoes, especially these dunks are not worth after resale. I'm just sorry. Like, unless it's a real, like, good collab. It's like limited edition, but like, no, I'm just sorry. I'm not. So, but before I do get started, make sure you guys are following me on social media. My Instagram, I'm Shalisha Marie. Snapchat is PrincessGirl18, and Twitter is XYXListXOX. And of course, please subscribe and join the Flawless gang. I would love to have you here, a part of the family, so don't miss out on any more content I'm doing. If you love seeing my face and want to see more videos from me, please subscribe and join the family and join along with the journey, child, because we are on the way to 100K. I'm so excited. I'm about to work my butt off to get this 100K. I'm so excited, and let me know what you guys want to see so I can get it filmed and, get some really good content out that you guys want to watch. So, but for right now, let's go ahead and get started with reviewing these dunks. They have so many shoes. I mean, they have Yeezys, Nike, Jordan. They have all kinds of shoes, and I decided to choose some dunks. Y'all know I love dunks so much. They're so cute, and I just feel like, why would I go to StockX or something for something that's, so overpriced? It's ridiculous. So, and like I tell y'all all the time, these shoes come from these same exact factories. They use the same material. They use the same stuff. It's all high quality. And these people that make these shoes, they be having some bomb quality. Like, I'm telling you, even the real, like, sellers like Nike and, like, all the companies we buy shoes from, they even be having some flaws. And, like, the shoes that you get that aren't originally from these websites, they be better than the real website. I'm sorry. Like, they really do. Like, I'm telling you, these companies be stepping with the quality, okay? So let me show y'all. So first, of course, the box, and I got a size 7 in my dunks. I am an 8.5 in women's, and I'm 7 in men's, so that is equivalent to a woman's 8.5, 7 in men's. So this, of course, is the Georgetown colorway. Oh my god, I think the Georgetown dunks are so cute. Like, they are just next. I love that colorway. It's just so different. Like, I love it. So, woo! Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, look at these shoes. Oh my god, I love these dunks so much. The quality, oh my god, the quality on these are impeccable. I see no stitching that's missing. The perfect toe box has no creasing, and the toe box is so soft. That leather, really nice. They have some shoe trees as well, like so. The Nike little stamp in the inside, of course, along with the size back here. And then the soles are this navy blue color, and then this is like that kind of like wolf gray color, and the back right here is with the Nike with that kind of wolf gray color. These are so nice. Oh my god. And You know, of course, the laces are here with the tie right here. Also, here is the flap, if you guys were wondering. That is the flap. And these, I'm telling you, let me get the other one because I am blown away at how great these dunks are. Oh my god, I reviewed some of the University Red, and these ones are way better quality than those ones. That one had like a couple missed strings on it, and like there was some glue residue, but oh my god, I don't even see not one stitching out of place. I mean, not one. These are amazing. Here are them together, and then here are both sides. You guys can see. Oh my god, these are so beautiful. I love this colorway so much. Do you guys love the Georgetown colorway? I do be tuning in when Georgetown does play college basketball games. I watch it, you know, on the TV, but I never had the dunks. I'm so glad to have them now, and I already have an outfit. I want to do like, I don't know, I think I want to do, I don't know. See, what y'all think would be what y'all think would be the best outfit for the Georgetown? I was thinking a white bodysuit with this like dark blue bubble coat or something. I think that would be so cute because the white would pop because there's so much of the blue and like that gray color. I think the white would just make it pop and have the shoes be like the main thing that stands out, you know. But oh my god, y'all, please get with them. I'm telling you, got some of the best sneaks on the market right now. If you're looking for some, but you don't want to break the bank and, you know, go and paying these high reselling prices, check them out. They are amazing. The shipping is super fast. It didn't take that long at all. The sellers are amazing. Layla is so sweet. She sent me pictures before they got sent out. Great communication through email, and I'm telling you, the experience was awesome. I really did enjoy the whole experience of getting these, and she was telling me the quality, and I was checking out their website, and she mentioned, you know, they're high quality. They use like some of the best high quality materials, and just they're really precise with how they make their shoes. And she did not lie. I'm telling you, girl, you were so right with your company and everything that you guys do, because these shoes look fabulous. I love them. These shoes look spotless. I don't see any flaws in these, and y'all know how real I am. I will let you know in a minute because I don't play that, especially if I'm recommended them. They need to be top tier. So yes, I love these so much. I cannot wait to wear my dunks because I don't have that many dunks. I only have this, my second pair now, so I'm trying to build my collection up. So now that we kind of got a real view of how they look in person, now I'm going to try them on my feet so you guys can get a real raw view of how they look on the feet. I'm going to do a 360 view. You know, you can get, you know, the front, the back, the sides, and I'll show you guys the soles. So I'm going to run that clip in a minute, and then I will come back on camera and let you guys know my thoughts on the company and my final review on these Georgetown dunks. So let's roll that clip of the on foot review. So y'all, how did y'all love it? I really do love these sneakers, and I think they're so original. Like, I don't have any shoes like this in my collection that I can remember. The only shoes that I think that I have that are like this like blue color or like any kind of gray, I have the Baron 9s. I have them that are like this kind of like wolf gray color. I have these like midnight, they're like they're 11 lows. They have like the gum bottom, and they have like this blue, all y'all know what I'm talking about. If you know what I'm saying, you get me. They have gum bottoms and are all navy blue on the upper. I don't really have, I have the Columbia 4s. I don't have that many navy blue shoes, but I have a couple, but I don't have anything like this with like, you know, the blue and the gray. I think this is so dope. Just feeling them, like they just feel really high quality. Like I'm telling you, they did these to the T. I love them so much, and they even have the nice clear tabs on the shoelaces. They nailed everything from the box to the shoes. I love them. You guys definitely are Shalishas Marie approved. I love these so much and I cannot wait to style them. Let me know your thoughts on these guys. Do you guys have them? Do you guys like them? Do you guys like the colorway? Do you guys not like it? Let me know how you feel below. But these are so cute and I really do love the quality on these. They are amazing and you guys should definitely check them out. I'll have them linked below so you guys can get the link to their website. Check out all their shoes. They have so many Nikes, Jordan, Yeezys, designer shoes. If you're looking for something affordable, check them out. The quality is top tier. So that is the end of this video, everyone. I hope you guys really did enjoy it. If you did, just give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments, of course, like I said, what you guys think on these Georgetown Dunks. I think they are amazing. I love the colorway. I've always been eyeballing them, you know, since they released. I was like, I was mad I couldn't get them on release day, but I was like, I know it's wait around, you know, I might try to grab them like towards like the spring, and then I ended up getting them I ended up getting a pair sent to me from a company to review. So that's like best of both worlds. Yeah, I cannot wait to style them. Let me know your guys' idea on an outfit, like really the best outfit to like really step. Cause y'all know when I be dressing, like I dress on the gram. Like I don't just be putting on anything. Sometimes I have little chill days, you know what I'm saying? But when I dress, like I really be throwing it on. Like, you know what I'm saying? But let me know your thoughts on the best way to style those. What y'all think? And I'll take y'all ideas. And maybe I can make that a video, how to style the Georgetown Dunks. And I'll take y'all recommendations. Maybe that just might be a good video idea. Let me know y'all ideas on how to style them and I'll recreate it and do a video. And I'll give y'all credit. I'll put your name and your comment on the video so you guys can get the credit you deserve for giving me the idea of the outfit. That's dope. Let me know what y'all think about that too. So as always, follow me on all my social media. Everything is below in the description box. Instagram, I'm Shalishas Marie. Snapchat is PrincessGirl18 and Twitter is XXLXOX. And of course, please subscribe and join the Flawless gang. I would love to have you here, part of the family, so you don't miss out on any more uploads I am uploading. And we are on the road to hit that 100K milestone. So stick around and stay tuned for more content. Of course, check out Art Mystery. I will have their link to their social media. Check them out on Instagram. They have a nice Instagram page. If you want to look at some of the shoes they offer, you can DM them and ask them questions. Ask them to send you pictures. And they surely will get back to you and give you guys, you know, the close-ups that you are looking for if you are trying to invest in some good shoes. But these are amazing. And like I said, don't knock anybody that does go to these sellers that, you know, get these shoes. No one would know where you got your shoes from if you keep your mouth shut. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't even tell the difference nowadays with companies. Like, you couldn't tell if you got them from stock or if you got them from a reseller, like people that remake the shoes like this. So don't be just, I'm telling you, do not listen to these people. These people, real life, just be jealous and they just be like trolls. Don't even be listening to people that got something to say about what you wear. Don't let nobody dictate what you do with your money. That's your money. Like, let them know. Stop worrying about my pockets and worry about what you're wearing. Don't you worry about what I'm wearing. Simple. Like, that's your business. Like, and I'm gonna be rocking mine though. And y'all see me wear them University Red. So them pictures with the University Red Dunks. What? Stop playing. But like I said, I will have everything below, all their information to get in contact along with their website to check them out. Give them a try. They are amazing. I love them and I cannot wait to wear my shoes. They are top tier and just flawless. I didn't see no mistakes because y'all know how honest I am and I keep it real on this channel with y'all. So these people are definitely trustworthy. I would definitely recommend checking them out if you're in the market for, again, some nice shoes for an affordable rate, because we're trying to save the money where we can, okay? But we're trying, you know what I'm saying, get the look, but you don't gotta break the bank for the look, you know what I'm saying? So check Art Street out there. Amazing option to go to for some shoes on an affordable rate. So with all that being said, of course, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for tuning in today. And with all that being said, I will catch you guys back in my next video very soon. Bye, everyone. Mwah.